Hey beautiful people, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing pretty well and thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video, we will talk about web hosting. In my previous video, we understood and discussed about domain name. Now the second element in order to create and launch your website is web hosting. So what is web hosting? Guys, web hosting is a space on internet which you buy for a certain period of time in order to store your website files or data. The information includes text data, visual in form of videos, audio, or maybe picture, and some other documents as well. So these are the part of your website and this requires a space to get stored. If you don't purchase or if you don't put your website files on web hosting, then nobody will be able to access apart from you because it is on your local computer. So in order to make your website live, you need a space on internet that is called web hosting. So let's say you want to construct a building. If you want to construct a building, you need a land. Without a land or without a piece of land, you can't construct a building because the base of the building will be on that land itself. The blocks, the building materials, the cement, everything, whatever material you are using, whatever construction you are doing, the base will be that land. Similarly, if you are creating a website, if you are constructing a website, then space is required. But this space is in digital world, it's on the internet. That's why it is called web hosting. It is called web hosting, that you are, hosting your website. You are storing the data of your website on web servers on web world. That is called web hosting. So web hosting is required in order to make your website live. Although you can create your website on a local computer, but I don't really recommend that because there are multiple challenges when you actually create your website on your local computer. First of all, you need a good hardware computer. If you are running on a low configuration laptop or maybe PC, then it will be a very challenging thing for you to create a heavy or maybe good website on your local computer. Second, if you are creating a website on your local computer or system, then you will not be able to show it to other person without having your laptop. You have to carry your laptop each and every place whenever you want to share it with someone else. Third, by chance, let's say if your Windows gets corrupted or maybe your PC is breakdown, then in that case your data, whatever your website you have built, that website data will be lost and you can't recover. In that case, your entire energy, time, effort will be of no use because you don't have the access of that website anymore. So what I recommend is to have a good web hosting for WordPress, so that from any time, anywhere, from any device which has a browser and internet connection, you can easily log into your website and you can start working on it. You can create it, you can make it live, and you can manage it entirely without any dependency on any hardware on any computer system. So that's why we will buy a good web hosting for our website. We will buy that, we will install WordPress, and then our entire work, our entire project will be done on the same web hosting. And that is something which we will learn in my upcoming video in the next video. So stay tuned, take care, I'll catch you in the next video.